It's Angeline here, and today we're going to be doing a quick tank refresh. So you're going to see with your own two eyes how quickly we can refresh our tank. I'm just coming in from an outside adventure, so I'm just going to show you guys how easy and quick it is. It's nice. A good night to Gardyn. So let's get started. So let's get you guys in the tripod, and we're going to get this down to, I'm guessing, 5 minutes. Let's see if we can do this in 5 minutes or less. If we get it 5 minutes or less, we're gonna change our thumbnail. So first thing for our tank refresh is put our towel on the floor. Then we have some things on top of our garden. We got our stevia that we gotta pick up. We have our little gardener here. Gardening also. We got our humidifier down here. First step, excuse me. Pull up the tank, pull up the, pump. I don't want to lose this. Unhook the sides. Lift from the pole. Whoops. Move it over. Put on our towel. As you see, we only have 1 gallon of water in there. So I usually wait till it's all the way at the bottom. Let's empty our water. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hold the door when I come back, please. So we emptied out our water. Now we are going to wipe out our tank really quick. So let me get something to wipe it out. Put it back. Excuse me. We're going to get some plant safe cleaning. So we got a little bit of white vinegar that we're going to use to wipe the inside with. And the vinegar is good for cleaning and it's good for the plants as well. So when you use the vinegar to wipe out, it's okay if the vinegar stays in there, even though I'm not using enough for it to stay in there. But if there was residue from the vinegar, excuse me, Addie, it still will be okay because it helps restore the pH. And in our other garden, we have a little bit of extra growth inside of it, which is being caused by some of the good bacteria not still being there. So we're cleaning this one out with some white vinegar. I know I keep wanting to say white wine, excuse me. We gave it a good wipe out so it's nice and clean. Oops, excuse me. We're gonna put our gallons in there. 5 gallons of water that's been sitting to help take out some of the impurities. We're just gonna drop it in there. So I have them sitting, but you do not have to do the same thing. You can use water straight from the sink, or from, sometimes you guys see I do water outside. It's night right now. It's very late. Oops. Take this in the kitchen. So we're gonna empty out. Let's see if we can do it even quicker by doing 2 at a time. The last 2. So this is 5 gallons. So this is about 5 gallons. So maybe a little less. We'll see. Got a little splash going there. It's just water. That splash is okay. We got a towel back there. We'll use it to wipe. Excuse me.
Water.
Now we put our hydro boost in, which helps with preventing algae growth, keeping our water clean. 2, 3, 4. So we put our hydro boost in there and it helps balance pH. Ah, thank you. She's adding her own water in there. And then we put our food in. 5. We have a fruiting plant. So 5. This is a closed one. There is one that's open. But we're gonna see if we get our goal here. We'll see how fast we can actually do it. 1, 2.
Water.
Yes, go get in the kitchen. 3, 4. These are heaping spoons. So let's get this spoon a little lower. And then I just mix it around. So it's not just sitting at the bottom. Of course, when the pump is on, it'll definitely get to circulate that. And then we'll put it back on. Let's see. See if it just slides back on. Here we are. It just clips in. We clipped it in. We put our pump back in. Use our towel to clean up the water we spilled. And there you have it. We have refreshed our tank in record time. Now, there's not a timer here. Oh, 7 minutes. All right, so we spent a few minutes talking. So we were able to refresh our tank in under 10 minutes. So there you go. Easy, not much and hard to take care of. 7-minute refill. Thank you very much for joining me in this live, our speed live. And I will talk to you guys next time. And remember to go to avgardening.com for more information and join the cultivators at patreon.com/Angeline Burden. I am Angeline and the team, and we will see you guys next time. Remember, stay green always. And our usual who says bye, she's enjoying the water containers. So bye.